I'm going to show you how to make a mini book with one sheet of paper and no staples. These are great for vocabulary practice or letting the kids publish their own story. And they're easy to make. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so we can make more books. Let's go! Bonjour y'all, hello, welcome in. In the last two videos I showed you how I made booklets half page, but what if you're limited on your paper, which has happened to me more times than I can count, and maybe I really want to limit it and I'm giving one sheet of paper to each kid, and you can still make a little mini booklet. This works well with vocabulary words, or have the kids write notes in them, and you don't need any staples. Okay, so you can have a template like this one. It kind of shows you the back page is here, the title page goes here, and page 1, or you can just do it with a plain sheet of paper. But what you're gonna do is fold it in half, and this is, I'm recycling, so this already has print on it. Okay, you're gonna fold it in half, fold it in half again, and then we're gonna fold it the other way. Landscape, one fold. Okay, so you can see you've got the 8 pages of your book here. Okay, you can see on this page there's a dotted line here. We're going to cut where this line is. Let me show you. So I'm going to cut where this dotted line is. Like that. Okay, I'll do it on the plain paper. So in this one I know to cut to where those points meet. Like that. Okay, and you're gonna flip it over this way to where you have an opening. Crease here. Oops. Crease here. Push it in. Lay it flat. Flip it over. Now got a little booklet. I'll do it again on this one. We've made our cut. Open that hole. Lay it down. Fix those creases. Fold it again. And you've got a little 8-page booklet. I hope this is helpful. You can check out my little mini books in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. I will link it below. Thanks guys, have a great day, happy teaching, make it fun. Check out my other bookmaking video. Au revoir, goodbye.